Okay guys, this is the new Mac 3.0. Its frame is made from 32mm drainage pipe. It has angular aluminium on the bottom and top on 6 places, and it's connected together with a threaded rod just to have support from the for the all the stress, which in my experience the 32mm frame will not take when you place that much. I'm expecting 15-20 kilos of maybe 15 kilos of weight on top of this or inside it when it's done. Its lighting system is I only have 2 of these now. There's gonna be 6 in all. This is a LED 1000 lumen watertight. I'm gonna additional watertighten it. They say it's watertight, but I don't believe them. 6 of these, which will create 6000 lumens. In the middle here, which is the front, by the way, in the middle here there's going to be a GoPro camera, which will get the good video, but I don't have a live stream camera or function on the GoPro camera, so I need another one, which is a cheap, mediocre camera, but it will provide live stream, which is needed to see what I'm doing down there. So one camera to see what I'm doing, and one GoPro camera for video quality. The ballast tank system. The ballast tanks I'm going to cut around here too. There's going to be 2 80mm PVC plastic tanks on each side, which will create 20 kilograms of updraft, which should be more than enough. On the ballast tanks itself, it's going to have 2 exhaust valves, which I control with a switch, which going to release air and let water seep into the tanks, creating sink. When I use this is pneumatic distributor, which will be fitted around here, which has a tether to the surface into a control system, and from there into a air compressor, which I control from just with a and it's gonna put in the air from the surface, creating updraft. So that's the idea, and it's gonna work. I put in too much money already. I'm gonna make it work. The engines are Rule bilge pump 1100 GPH with special custom-made propeller adapters, which are in Norway insanely expensive to have made for you. Let's see. I'm gonna have 4, 2 on each side, sitting in a tube, 2 tubes with an engine in each end to create the movement right and left. On the back side, there's gonna be in the middle here, right in the middle of the R.O.V, I'm gonna have a system that holds 4 engines or thrusters, which creates the forward or backward motion. I'm having trouble finding big enough propellers, so I just upped on the motors, so I need 4 of them instead of 2. which is stupid, I know, but I can't find them, the ones I need. So this is my design completely. I'm not gonna show you the controller box. I can tell you it's made in a it's made from a briefcase. It's gonna have a TV screen to witness what goes on from the live feed camera, and it's gonna have a controller for the air coming in. It's also, remember the exhaust valves, gonna have buttons that can open and close these exhaust valves, creating down, or I fill them with water and the water pushes out the air. I'm not going to show you the plans I have for the control center. It's going to be mine for now. But this is my design. It started out as a figment of my imagination, and now it's in front of me, and of course you see there is a lot to do. This is gonna take at least a year to get the money and to build this. I already used 6,000 crowns on it. You can check your calculators, and it's a lot of money, and it's just a frame. It's insanely expensive because I have to just for this frame, which looks cool and all, I'm gonna use this R.O.V in salt water. Salt water and sunlight don't mix with these types of plastic, so I have to find a paint that completely coated, so it just won't dissolve. There is a lot of questions left, but this movie was requested by a friend from England, and this is how it looks so far. So thanks from Homemade R.O.V Norway.